Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another exciting prompts video where we are going to show you awesome prompts. As you know, India is celebrating Navratri and we have Garba and a lot of playful, joyful environment around us. So just to add on top of it, we have curated 7 special prompts only for the Navratri vibes, and you can create your awesome looking Navratri vibe photos just using these prompts. If you want to get access to all these prompts, just follow the instructions in the description box below. So yes, without any further ado, let's head towards Gemini. Just click on tools and just click on create images. Just add this prompt, upload your reference photo. You can upload any reference photo and just send it to the Gemini. So Gemini will take the attached photo and generate an image for us. While it is generating the image, you can just write down prompt in the comment, subscribe to the channel and send the screenshot. Once it is generated, I'll show you how it looks, and I'll also add all the prompts in the Telegram official channel. Look at the generated image. You can create your own awesome images using the prompts. So while you are waiting here still, just go and grab these prompts and create your images. If you post them on Instagram or on your social media, just tag us. Our Instagram handle is mentioned in the description below.